Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach user role. That is very important stuff when you are implementing the software. Okay, so there are many students leaving the mistake of this. Okay, so what are the first I am going to explain what are the mistakes students are doing. So student creating the table for student and teacher and admin. Okay, so in this system we having a three roles. Okay, so here three roles students are creating the table. Okay, this is not wrong, but this is a not good, this is not good way to implement the software. Okay, this is not good way to implement the software. Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach how to make professional way to implement the user role, right? So here you can see we have we have to create the field as user. This user we have created, this is the, here you can create the user is a relationship. You have to implement the is a relationship. The user consists of three parts: student, teacher and admin. So user is a student, user is a teacher, user is a admin. Student may be a teacher or student or admin. It consists of three. Okay, it consists of three roles. Okay, so these three roles has different permission. Okay, okay, so here in every software, if you are considered about the library management system software, it has a author, a librarian. These are the different actors are available. So if it is considered about the hospital management system, there are different users. The doctor and patient and pharmacist, there are different user roles are there. So here consider about this system I made, consider about the school management system. School management system, there are plenty of roles are there, so I have get only three: admin, teacher and student. These are the called as roles, user roles. So we have created one table which is a user. This user may be a student or teacher or admin. The user is the following fields. Okay, name, address, phone number, email, education, experience and user type. So here we have to create only one table. The user is a common table. When you are creating the roles, you have to create only one table. This table we are taking to these three fields, column fields. Okay, understand what I'm telling? Here ID, here student as a name, address, phone number. This is one, this is common to all. Student as a name, address, phone number, teacher as a name, address, phone number, admin or user as a name, address and phone number. And another one, student as a course. Okay, student as a age. Okay, student as a age. Okay, so then another field we have teacher as a experience, subject. Okay, so admin. Okay, these are the things we have while you creating this all the user. This is going to be this fields we are putting as a null while creating the table. Okay, what I'm telling, what I'm saying, uh, have you understand that? Null mean this fields the experience and subjects. This is not common to all users. Student don't have experience and this all the things we are only the goes to the teacher part. So that keep this column as a null. Null means while you adding the student, these tables are null. It goes to null. Okay. So once you this once you if you are imagine you are going to register the one system, that system only show student information. Student should able to fill up what are the important field need to fill on the respective student field only. Okay, what are the field needed for student, those field also show on to that particular page. When the teacher is going to fill up that form, what are the fields are needed for teachers, that field only we can fill up the teacher, what field are important for the teacher. Okay, we are going to show all the fields of the teacher while you fill up the teacher, register the teacher, while you register student. We only show what is the when you are going to register the student, what is the field we are need to show up. One is what is the respective field of the student. When you are going to register the teacher, what is the respective field we are going to register the teacher. What is the field we are going to register the admin? What is the field, the important field only show. Okay, so that only we have created the user fields. Okay, when you are creating the system, you have to consider about this one. Okay, in experience, if you need to gain the experience, I'll be make this system in my Java and PHP and languages, so you can easily understand how to do this system in efficient way. Okay, so I will be do it in my next video tutorial, so how to implement the system well, or then you will be able to understand the clear idea. Okay, so you have to create one table in your database, include all the fields. Okay, all the this field, the common field all the same. So that the email address, these are the field common for everyone. The another the some other fields, students, teacher is teachers there, students not there. Okay, so students, when you are going to student register student, those fields are going to be null. Okay, so first you have to understand the things. That's the only thing you have to consider while you creating the user. Okay, I hope you can understand these things well. Only not this is I have considered about to make this system for or school management system. When you are going to build a system for library management system, it consists of different access. You have to consider about according to the library management system, what are the actors are there, what are the permission going to give those the librarian, what are the permission we are going to give, what is the permission you are going to give the author. Okay, okay, the borrower people, that is the thing you have to consider about yourself and do the system. Okay, security is more important stuff when you are doing the system. Okay, so user role is mainly the security purpose we are going to do the system, because if you are not giving the permission and do the system, everyone can do the everyone can log in the system and delete the user, and they can get the permission and they are self to run the system. That is not good way, that is not a secure things to implement working with the system. So that the user role is very important stuff when you are making the system. Please, you must understand the user role well before you implement the system. Thank you for watching.